I found that the tools that I use to produce my drawings have a direct correlation to the quality of my drawings and my desire to even want to draw in the first place. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this channel it is my desire to share with you everything that I know about drawing so that you can become a better artist. First off, I just want to thank all the new subscribers to the channel because I've seen a tremendous amount of growth in my channel in just the last week. I went from having about 180 subscribers to over 300 in just a matter of days, and I couldn't thank you guys enough. I mean, it just goes to show that the energy and the time that I put into my videos isn't for nothing, and I owe it to myself and especially all of you to continuously progress in the quality of my content. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because it does mean a lot. So moving on to the topic of this video, I don't think this is a topic that people speak too much about. I'm sure there's a lot of methods you've been told to use that can help improve your art, but I want to focus on the types of tools you can use that can help to improve your art, especially if you're a beginner. Imagine if you were running a business in 2024 and you were forced to use old 1980s IBM computers to do it. That'll probably make your experience a lot tougher, and you probably find it extremely difficult to have the motivation to get things done. And what I realized is that we kind of have to look at our art the same way. There was a time, and you can go back into my old videos, where I used simple lead pencils to make my art. And I used Q-tips to do my blending, and my lighting was a little murky. But after investing in better lighting, a variety of drafting pencils, blending tools, and erasers, not only did I feel more confident in my drawings, I felt my desire to draw and the quality of my drawings improved drastically as well. So this is my encouragement to you based off of my personal experience. The tools you use on your drawings matter, and that's not evident just in art. It applies to whatever job you're into. It could be construction, running a business, sales, etc. And that's why we always and should always look to upgrade the tools that we use, because not only does it make the work we do more enjoyable, it also makes you proud of the products that you produce. The few upgrades that I made are not top of the line because I'm still getting there. It's step by step. You take one step, you get comfortable, and then you take another step. Because if you're just getting into art, you don't want to go out there and buy the most expensive sketch pads, lead pencils, and lighting equipment. So after drawing with regular lead pencils for a while, I decided to go out and buy these drafting pencils that have better grip at the tips and have a weight distribution that makes them heavier toward the tip as well, which adds a lot of precision and control to my strokes. They also come in a variety of thicknesses from 0.7 down to 0.3 millimeter, which helps with my more precise drawings like this Spider-Man drawing that I did a while back. I also spent some time going through a couple of sketchbooks, and I found personally that the sketchbooks that I prefer are the ones that have a little bit of roughness to them and the ones that are pure white. And those were the kinds of sketchbooks that I found to do the best on camera. So I say all this to say that if you equip yourself with the right tools, it'll make your work environment a lot more comfortable. And with a comfortable work environment, you'll have a better desire to do the work that you do. But most importantly, it'll increase your desire to draw. See you guys in the next one. Peace.